If you have a product to sell online, you need to create a website. Then that website should be dynamic WordPress website. You to show your product or site online to your customer. In this lecture, I'm going to share with you how to create WooCommerce and website and how to set up WooCommerce or everything. Today's video, it will be introduction video. This video I will show maximum topic will be conceptual content. So if you are new in WooCommerce and what you just want to learn how to WooCommerce setup and a specific niche, a specific e-commerce business, how to set up a specific setting. So in this lecture, you will in this series actually I will show you. I will make a video as a series how to create e-commerce website step by step. And WooCommerce is a world-based and most popular e-commerce platform that they are using. Actually 60% more people in the world are using WooCommerce, and I have bought a series of tutorial on WooCommerce to help you all. So after seeing that, you can manage your e-commerce platform yourself. So you don't need any hardcore knowledge of programming and everything. And WooCommerce is the WordPress plugin we know. Actually, this is the WooCommerce, and actually it's a WordPress software plugin. We need to show actually right now we need a domain and hosting to set up WooCommerce actually. All right, so if you are a businessman, you have already wants to business to live and you just want to learn how to set up WooCommerce, so you I know you have already domain and hosting, but if you want to launch your website right now, you need a domain hosting. Please, I just suggest you, if you need any premium theme or plugin, just contact me, and I'm giving all those information in my description box. As a gift, I will get some commission actually if you use my affiliation link, if you are just buy domain hosting from my referral link. So that's the very true thing, and you can do so much your brother, right? So actually I made a video for you. All right, so this is the WooCommerce. So we are going to learn this WooCommerce plugin. Okay, so WooCommerce is a WordPress plugin or software. Actually we know right now, if you are launch your business right now, so you just buy domain and hosting. You can buy domain hosting from my link below, affiliate link. Actually it would be that would be. And if you need any plugin or theme, if you need it from in your business, you just contact with me. I will provide your license key with a very cheap rate if you want. And I am giving those tutorial with the below description box as a gift. I will get some commission. Okay, so if you buy a domain from my referral link, so you can do so much for your brother, right? So I made a video for you. You just give me a simple thing, that is you just understand the whole thing. So this is the WooCommerce, and I have already made a video about local. So if you are a beginner, so you don't wanna buy domain and hosting, I have already made a video about local. So this is the local. Actually this is a local. You can use WordPress by practicing, and I have already made a particular video, that's Pantheon.io. So if you would like to show your website to your friends and family, it also be free. It is not a professional work, but you can share your website to your friends and family. It's a hosting actually, so you can live your site on server. So you can see both video if you are wants to learn just or wants to practice what is WooCommerce plugin works. You can use it both of those things. Okay, you can just watch that video. Okay, right now I'm going to share with you WooCommerce setup. Okay, first of all, I will log in my local. So you have to, I highly recommend you have to watch the full video how to set up local, and I have explained everything, what is local work and local everything, A to Z local. Right now I will clicking this option and click this add new site. I have already made a site, that is W3 Army. Just go to WP admin. Okay, all right, so I'm just clicking this direct WordPress website and click WP admin. I will just paste my username, ID, password, admin and admin. All right. So I also made a video about WordPress dashboard. So how to work pay, post, page, media, plugin, and appearance, everything. So today's video will be just a WooCommerce plugin I wrote about. So first of all, I will upload a actually set up a theme. Actually, first of all, you have to set up a theme. So theme would be anything. So I will use GeneratePress or Astra, whatever you want. I will use it. GeneratePress is a very lightweight theme. So if you are using WooCommerce, you can use MartFury theme or anything e-commerce type based theme. You can use it, but right now we can, as a practice purpose, we can use the GeneratePress. Okay, as usual you can use it, don't worry about it. And now I will use a plugin that would be WooCommerce, and I will install it. It's taking few seconds. Just click install, and now I will install Elementor. It's a page builder actually. Okay, and right now I just go to a plugin below this install plugin section and click both plugin and click path action and click this activate plugin will be plugin need activate. Just click active it will, and click apply. It will need a few seconds. It will be applied. All right, so we have installed WooCommerce. As you can see, here some options are showing that the WooCommerce and product and payment and also marketing and analytics. These are 5 steps are showing over here, and I have already installed Elementor. As you can see, 2 features available over here. Elementor template, both are 7 options comes over here. If I have while install the two plugin. Okay, so this is the video today's video will be just showing installing the WooCommerce, and I just want to show you one more thing, that is using WooCommerce. I have already customized a theme, that is I have used actually this is a WooCommerce theme actually, and also this one I have already made by a scratch. And how WooCommerce actually work, just click add to cart, and I have made a feature that another feature actually that I have already made a video pop-up feature. This one actually, if you need this one, you just go to my just go to my channel, you can search and this video, and if you clicking this checkout page or view cart page, and it will redirect to this view cart page, and this is a cart page actually. And if you click process to checkout, and it's showing your order section, and this is some billing information, whatever you need actually. I have actually already made a video. If you install WooCommerce, and here by default some extra unnecessary field will comes over here. I have already deleted all those files, so don't worry, I have already made a tons of video, necessary video actually. So you just go to my channel, and already I have told you I have this is actually Woodmart theme. Okay, so I made this website using this Woodmart theme. This is the popular my video. You can just watch the complete Woodmart theme customization guide, step-by-step tutorial. I have made a full video about Woodmart theme customization using WooCommerce. Okay, before I told you another one, before I told you there is a WordPress dashboard video. If you wants to learn how to work page, media, post, all those I cover of this particular video. Okay, this is the first video, and before right now I'm telling you that is this 7 option will not available in this particular video, because right now we have installed some plugin. Okay, so I think you just understand how WooCommerce works and how to install WooCommerce. Next video I will show you how settings WooCommerce, and here is each and every tab has an option, and how you work in the general and product and shipping and if you have each particular business has each particular settings. So if you have a business, any business, you just watch that next part. So I think this video will be very helpful. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So thank you very much.